guys, so for this video I want to talk about my recent pickup. I went ahead and got a new head unit replacement for my Mark 7 Golf R. It's going to be the same unit found in the new Atlas 2018 Golf R actually, and I guess throughout the whole lineup, the Tiguan, maybe even the new Jetta. But this unit I had a bookmark for quite some time. I didn't get it because it's really expensive, so I found a better price or a cheaper price on eBay again, and it just arrived. We're going to do an unboxing. It took about 3 to 4 weeks to get here. The box came in a good shape. The wrapping, there's quite a lot of wrapping, but no styrofoam to protect it from kind of shifting. So as you can tell, the bezel and the unit was put in together, so it's kind of like shaking back and forth during the shipping process, so I wasn't really confident in that. There is a couple of things about our unit. The stock unit comes with a 6.5 inch matte version. I picked up a tempered glass screen protector. I picked one up just in case I want to get damaged or with keys or anything by accident. So I'm going to put that on, get a few first impressions, and then we'll take it from there. Alright guys, so I'm done. Basically here it is. Pretty straightforward install. Sits flush. It's not overlapping on the side, which I'm happy about. What you also need is this. Basically you need one of these radio key removers. So the whole point of this is you get 4 of these, and it's locked into the car. I guess it's for theft prevention. You need the keys to bring the tabs in like so on each of the 4 sides. 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. But my understanding is you insert the key like so, right? And then you just I don't want to poke myself, but yeah. So after you insert the key, it clicks, and then this part, the edge, it goes in. So you can tell this part, it's sticking out, right? So basically the key helps you push the contacts in, so you can easily slide the unit out for removal. In order to remove the key, I don't think you could yank it. You gotta just press it in and kind of just take it out. Alright, oops, I can't really see through the tiny screen on the computer, but that's basically it. Stay tuned for another video where I'm going to go ahead and attempt the installation. Hopefully everything goes well. Thank you for watching.